know that you want to work on this app, you don't know how it works, you don't know how to perform your tax, you don't know anything, you don't even know how to withdraw on this app, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to make sure I share everything on this video, okay? Disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Boloup app, okay? This video is based on my personal experience. Always make sure you do your research before investing your time or investing your money in any live streaming app mentioned on this video. Okay, now if you have the app already or you have not done anything yet, all you need to do is for you to sign in with your Google. I always recommend Google account for users to sign in. Sign in with your Google, edit your profile, add your profile picture, and look for an agency you can join. Okay, I'm going to be putting agency ID on the comment section of this video. You can go ahead and use it or look for an agency that you can join. Okay, it is not more that you join my own. Okay, so look for agency that you can join, then collect the agent ID and then do your face verification. Okay, when doing your face verification, they are going to ask you to provide the agency ID. Just make sure you paste the agency ID, then do your face verification. Okay, after you do your face verification, all you need to do as a newbie is for you to go live streaming. Either you go live streaming or you go party on this app, okay? Anyone you feel like you can do. But for me, I usually go deal party. Always note the same reward the person that is going audio is the same reward the person that is going live. Anyone you feel like you can do, you are capable of doing, you are free to do it. Okay? If you are this person that does not like showing your face, showing everything, go audio, okay? Don't go live. If you feel shy, don't go live. But if you feel like you want to showcase yourself, you have talent, you know how to sing, I would advise you to go ahead and pick live. This is what you are going to do, and this is how you can able to do it. All you need to do is for you to click on your room. Once you click on your room, you are going to see chats, VIP. You are going to see agency room. You see this agency room. If you are not an agency, you cannot be able to go this agency room. But if you're a host, all you need to do is for you to go chat or live. Always note that either you become agency or host, any of these two, okay, before your task can count. Okay, if you did not do your face verification, if you did not join an agency or becoming an agency, you cannot be able to see this salary you're seeing here. Okay, just make sure you finish everything before trying to go live, because if you did not join agency, if you did not do your face verification, if you come over here, you're not going to be seeing salary and you might be imagining why I'm not seeing tax to claim. It's because you have not joined an agency or you have not become an agency before you go live. Make sure you do everything before going live. Okay, when you go live, you are going to see something like gift box. You see gift box, you see hot, lucky, normal, rich. This is where you're going to be doing exchange. Always note that this app is not an self-gifting app. You need to find someone that you can do exchange. As a newbie, I always say that if you want to do exchange, be very careful. Look for someone that is okay to do exchange with. Either you do exchange with your agency or you find a genuine place that you can be doing your exchange because of scam, okay? So that they will not scam the one that you have. Okay, but note, before you can do exchange, you need to buy coins. Okay, it require coins for you to buy before doing exchange. As you can see, I have 46 coins. You see these 46 coins you're seeing? I can't use it to do exchange. I need to go ahead and recharge another one before doing exchange. Okay, all you need to do is for you to keep on sitting on your room. If you want to check if your tax is counting, all you need to do is for you to click on the salary option. If you click on the salary option, you're going to see level L, level K, level G, level I, level H. What is this means? It means that you need a target. Maybe, for instance now, after you finish your no reward, because they're going to be giving you no reward that you're going to be claiming. When I started my own, I claimed for 4,000, that is 8,000 for 2 hours. Maybe still what they are giving you. All you need to do is for you to make sure you complete your 7 days reward. Complete your 7 days reward and start doing this one. If you feel like you can be upgrading by buying coins and use it to upgrade by your target level. You can do it. Okay, depend on your choice. But you don't feel like I'm not going to be recharge. No, you can stick with this 500 and keep on receiving your 500 for 60 minutes. That is 1 hour. Okay, but if you feel like let me just recharge, this is where you're going to be leveling up. And always make sure when leveling up, do not do exchange today and do it tomorrow. Make sure when leveling up, make sure you do it once. Maybe you want to do exchange of 100,000 today. Make sure you do it exchange of 100,000 today and continue do your tax. This one you're seeing reward is like once you are active on the app every day performing your tax. You are going to see that you are going to be receiving all this reward you are seeing. Okay, but if you're not active, it's going to write inactive because I am not active for more than a month on this app. That is the reason why I see inactive on this option. Okay, now let me show you another thing. You can see lucky draw. You see this lucky draw. If you don't have coins, maybe you want to earn followers, you want to gather people, you want to make friends, and you have coins, maybe you recharge, you can actually put a lucky draw. How can you do this lucky draw? Need to do it for you to put any amount of coins you feel like you can give to people, okay? That people can come and claim. Now, maybe you start from 1,000. You need to put 1,000. You need to put the amount of number of the draw. Put it. Now, for you to gain a follower, you need to toggle this thing on. As you can see, follow the room owner. Then, or you feel like you just want them to send a message, you can see enter the request from message room. So maybe now I want to type something like hello, how are you doing? Let me just type it and show you example. Then you will type something like this, welcome. Then you will click send. Okay, you see that this minimum stay room need to have at least 10,000 coins before you can click on this one. You can add this one at the same time when you want to draw your lucky this thing, your lucky draw. But for you to stay the like minimum stay time, you need to have at least 10,000 coins before doing that. All you need to do is for you to push it. It will going to come on the on your profile. People will start coming so that they will start claiming it. Okay. As far as they write what you write on your screen or they follow you, then that is where they are going to be receiving that lucky draw that you put on your room. Now, this is the game option. As a new user, once you complete your 7 days, that is your newbie reward. If you feel like let me just buy coins and play game, maybe you want to play game on this app, always make sure that in this game is for fun. You can lose, you can gain. Okay, it is 50-50 on this thing. So when doing it, it is not like some people that may tell you, okay, buy so amount of coins for you to use it to play. No, do not listen to that kind of advice because I listened to it when I started, but it didn't favor me. And this is what I did that make me to earn up to $200 within 2 weeks. I joined this app. Do you know what I did? I started buying small coins like 700 coins, 700 naira coins. Let me say, sometimes I buy 2,000 coins. It's not money, like 2,000 coins. I buy 2,000. I just started with small numbers of coins and I will start using it to play this game. Sometimes maybe I buy coins of 5,000. It's not 5,000 naira, just 5,000 coins. I'll have up to 5,000 coins on my wallet. Then I started using it to spin. Okay, this is what I did. Then I started winning big. I started winning big. But if your network is not good, do not do it. Now, this is how you can able to withdraw on this app. After you gather everything and you reach the minimum of that is a red diamond and you want to withdraw, and this is how you are going to able to withdraw. All you need to do is for you to click on your profile. You're going to see with diamond, then click on diamond, then you're going to say withdraw. Okay, click on withdraw and pick your country. Check the available payment method that is available on your country in order for you to withdraw. Okay, now you can see Nigeria, they have ePay, OPay, bank transfer. Okay, a lot of country with their own different local payment method, and always make sure you check fees. Check charges fee before you click on withdraw. It's not like once you click on withdraw, you'll be thinking that maybe the app cheated you or not. No, check the fee that they are collecting, okay, before you proceed with any payment method that you selected. Now, this is trade. You see, trade is for maybe you want to trade with agency. You can pick the his or her ID, agency ID, and trade with them. Trade with them. But for me, I always tell you, if you can able to withdraw by yourself, go ahead and withdraw by yourself, because this app, they have different payment method that you can use to withdraw in every country you are from. Being you're from Philippines, you're from India, you're from United States, any place, they have their withdrawal method. Maybe your country does not have the local currency, you can actually go ahead and withdraw with your USD. It is very simple. Okay, it is very very simple to avoid getting scammed. You know, there is someone that you might transfer your diamond with, and the person will just block you. Okay, I don't want you to encounter that. Always play safe. And okay, now once you click on your withdrawal, they are going to ask you to put your password. You see this place, be very very careful. If you don't use to remember password, please write it on the sheet of paper, keep it. Anytime you want to withdraw, then you go ahead and use it. You see the reason why I'm not going to be putting my password here, because I don't want my security to leak on this video. Now, you need to go ahead and put any password you feel like you can remember, or if you don't remember it, write it down. Then put it and click on OK. It will automatically save. Anytime you want to withdraw, this is what you're going to be withdrawing. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video.